Hi guys, I know it's been a while since the last time that I've uploaded a video here in my vlog. And so here we are today and we are going to be testing our new product, which is from Paint and Style Press Style Soft Gel. So the size of the soft gel tips that we have received is medium stiletto, but my client requested for a shorter almond size. That's why we are customizing it, and now we're using the nail file to shape it. And now we are using a nail drill to buff or to file the cuticle area of the extension that we have created, so we can blend the tips from the nails naturally to prevent lifting. And so that's it. It's very easy to create this look. So it's up to you now whether you'd like to add any blings or any design on the nail that you have created. And now we have just decided to color it plain pastel green as the client requested. Thank you all guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos every week, and also check out Press and Style or Paint and Style on their Instagram.